Hi everyone. So it's either good morning, good lunchtime, good evening, or good night. So we're just going to go through a little process here of how to upload images in order that you're going to be brand new and getting your solutions up on the assignments in Teams. So we're just going to go through the process here. So as you know, like that wee guy, Home Alone, that's where you are, but that's good for you. That's good for you. Would you rather be sitting there? I don't know. I would actually like to be sitting there. I preferred it. Anyway, let's go on. As it says, let's begin. So, can you please write all down your mathematical solutions on a bit of paper, as it says here, and what you want to do is get all your smartphones out, or a scanner, and either scan it or take a photograph of it. Doesn't matter. So there, here, this is just a little selection of maybe some questions from some of my classes here that I might have asked. That doesn't matter. That's to make you feel all inclusive. So, what you want to do here now, with your expensive cameras, just go and take a picture of it. And once you've taken a picture, then you know where it is. And take a picture of each of the individual ones, not just like these three in a row here. So that's good. Right. So okay. I'm now going to try and go through this process of how to upload them. So this is going to be live here. Right, so I've taken some pictures of just some questions. Just I'm going to pretend they're my solutions. So let's go. So I've taken pictures and I've sent them to my email. So I'm opening up my email here and let's see. I think it's that one. So it's this one here. That's fine. So there's various ones that I've got there. So I can see I've taken several ones. So this is 1, 2, but I've managed to squeeze the first two questions onto the first page. But this is the thing, I want to copy it. So I need to select the option to copy this, right? But this is something I forgot to tell you. I need to open up a Word document. Here you go. Tommy, that's bad news. Let me open up a Word document. I can't copy anything in there. Open up a Word document and let's put something. So I'm just putting some of this here. I'll hit a couple of return keys here. Tommy Kelly, assessment date. Right. See for you folks, see for this, don't type in date, actually type in the actual date. That doesn't matter. Right. So you've opened up a Word document. Let's go back and let's go and get those documents. So they're in my email. So I have sent them to my college email. You've taken the photographs, you've sent them to your college email. Let me copy this. So to copy this, don't go to download. Don't do that. So whatever option you have, mine is to right click it, and the options I have, I go to copy image. That's disappeared. Let me go back to my document. Can you see that downstairs? And I'm going to right click it, and it gives me 3 options for the paste options. I go to extreme right hand one, it says picture. I click that one. Right. So I can't see a document here because I know it's too big. It's went downstairs. Right. So I don't know if you noticed that there. When I clicked on it, these little circles appeared in the corners in the centre, but the right hand side there's nothing there. So what I'm going to do in this corner here, I'm going to drag down, and I want to have a white margin left and right. It's not there, so I need to go back, go and grab that corner. Right, okay, that looks okay to me. So I'm going to come out of the document. If I come out of the document and click, those little circles disappear. I'm going to have a look here. Right, that looks okay. That looks okay. So that's my first document. Yeah, there was 2 questions. If you want to put, if you want to have the questions in separate images, that's fine. Right, okay. The cursor now is down the bottom right hand corner here. So I want to import or bring in another images. So I just click that. I've just clicked that once. I could click it twice. That doesn't matter. So if I want to bring, so it's questions 1 and 2, they happen to be on the same page, that's fine. So if I just go back up, so that's the ones I imported here. Let's go to the left. Is it left? Right, that's question 4. No, let's go this side. I'm sure we've got a question 3. It doesn't matter what order they're in. Yeah. So here again, so I'm going to right click this again. I'm going to copy image, go back into my document. I can see my cursor flashing away at the bottom of the page. Right, oh, I'm down at the header. I'll hit return again. Right click and paste the right hand option there for picture. And I know it's went downstairs, so I'm going to go downstairs, and it's massive. Click on it, so you get the little circles there, and let's bring it in, Tommy. I think I've got it there. And so come outside the document and click outside the document, have a little check. That looks okay to me. And the cursor is flashing. Bottom right hand corner, you might not be able to see that, but I'm going to right click that again. I'll right click that again. I'll return it again. I'm going to go back in just one more time, folks. One more time. I'm going to go back in. So that's add 1, 2, 3. There you go. There's a 4th question. So I'm going to right click it, copy image. I'm getting quicker here. Go down in my Word document, right click, paste it. Yep, and it's going to be massive downstairs. So let's go down, let's sort this out. Right, let's drag that in, let's drag that to the center of the page. I'm going to stop, I'm going to go up again, I'm going to drag it in, drag it in, drag it in. Okay, that looks okay. So I'm going to come outside the document, click left or right. So that looks okay for me. So I'm just going to have a quick recheck here. Right. Right, these are just my solutions. I'm not interested in you commenting my solutions. I'm interested in you knowing how I got these images into this Word document. Right. And you notice there's a little page break here. That's fine. That didn't matter, I got rid of it, but I did. Right. So what I'm going to do now here, but before I can upload it to Teams, I need to save it. So I'm just going to go up to the save option, saying Tom McHale assessment. Call it whatever. I don't like, you can go into OneDrive, a lot of use like that. I like to save it in my PC. So I would do that. Tom McKelly assessment test. So I'll save it. Okay, so it's there. So what I'm going to do now is just to make sure I know where it is, I'm going to get my documents. Let's see. So documents. What was that? Tommy testing. Let's see. I've got thousands of documents in here, and I've got thousands of Tommy Kelly ones. What date is this? The 8th of October. Has it saved it? Well, if it hasn't, I'm going to go and save this again. Yeah. But it says saved. Tommy Kelly assessment testing. Where have you saved it? Doesn't matter. Ah, there you go. There you go. I've got it. It's too many Tommy Kelly assessment documents. That's because there's too many of you. So I've saved it there. I've got it. So some people like to put it in their desktop. That is fine. So hopefully you're okay with that. I don't know. Are you okay with that? But just remember, the final thing you need to do before you upload it into assignments and Teams, you definitely need to save it. Right. So I'm going to leave that there for you folks, and you can have a look at it if you want. But if you know better, if you got a better way of doing it, then that's fine. I'm going to go now. Okay. Right. Thank you. Right. Good night. Good morning. Good evening. Bye.